Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're going to be talking about day trading and gap trading, of course, but we're also going to be talking about how many times do you have to be slapped in the face to figure out that it hurts. So what I mean by that is when three guys tell you you're drunk, go sit down. Gap trading works, folks. I'm showing you a chart here of GPS, and you see two lines on the screen, and I'm going to cut it down real simple. We had one trade today, or one stock, two trades, both levels worked like a charm. How many times do you have to see this to know that it works? I know there are plenty of you out there that have watched this video or videos just like it on this YouTube channel over and over and over again, and each and every day you see these winning trades, yet you don't explore any further. You have to come over to check out the course at LazyGapTrader.com. Let's pick apart this trade a little bit, and let's go over to the email that went out to subscribers first thing this morning at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So there were four possible gap trades today. One worked out. Three were no trades because they didn't hit their levels. That's okay. We had gap GPS, which was the one that worked out. I say gap lower. Support levels are $27.31 and $25.49. Stop and profit target is about 20 to 30 cents. Of course, that's a minimum profit target. Now remember those numbers. We're going to go back to the chart and take a look at gap. So the stock closed yesterday at $30.70 all the way up here. Stock opened today at 28 and a quarter right over here and continued lower. Our level is 27.31. Now with gap trading, what I teach in my course is how we come up with that precise price level where the stock is likely to have a price reaction in the other direction. So here's a stock that's down about 10% at the time, and we're picking off within pennies a level where it's going to have a nice price reaction in the other direction, creating a profit opportunity. $27.31 is the buy price. And you can see here just minutes later, we're at a high over $28 at $28.18. That was the maximum profit on that first trade. Then what happened? The stock comes back in and comes down towards the second level identified at 9 o'clock before the market even opened, $25.49. What happens when the stock comes into $25.49? We go a little bit below that by just a few pennies, and just minutes later, we're at a high of $26.08, creating another trade, another profit opportunity identified before the market even opened. This is what gap trading produces for us, folks. It's a strategy that's repeatable, it's consistent, and it's something you can learn how to do for yourself each and every day. Come over to LazyGapTrader.com. Come check it out. I'm David Frost. Thanks for tuning in, folks.